Good day, students, and welcome to the world of science. I am Sir Mars Melgar, your science teacher for today. For today's lesson, we're going to discuss about the seismic waves. For our objective for today, we have recall the characteristic of seismic waves in terms of speed. Last time we discussed about the lithosphere, and we said that the surface of the Earth is divided into 15 tectonic plates. And sometimes, the movement of the tectonic plates causes what we call earthquakes. And earthquakes produce what we call the seismic waves. Seismic waves are low-frequency waves that travel through the Earth. They are generally caused by earthquakes, strong explosion, or volcanic activities. Seismology is the scientific study of earthquakes and the propagation of elastic waves through the Earth. The seismic waves has two types. First, the body waves that travels in the interior or inside the Earth. And the next one is what we call the surface waves. Surface waves travels on the surface of the Earth. So what are body waves? Body waves are waves that travel inside the Earth and can be classified also into two types. We have the P waves and the S waves. The P waves, or also known as the primary waves, moves in alternating compression or pushes and dilations or pulls. P waves travel fastest in any material. So the P wave is the first wave arriving, or the first energy that arrives on the surface of the Earth. Followed by the S waves, or the secondary waves. The secondary waves moves in alternating transverse motion. S waves do not travel through fluids, so it doesn't exist in the Earth's outer core. If you still remember, outer core is made up of liquid iron and nickel. That's why S waves cannot travel to the Earth's outer core. S waves move slower than P waves. That's why S waves travel or arrives after the P waves. Now, let's proceed on the surface waves. Surface waves are waves that travels on the surface of the Earth. They can be classified as L waves and R waves. L waves, or also known as lab waves, moves in transverse horizontal motion. The R waves, or Rayleigh waves, also called ground roll, travel as ripples similar to those on the surface of the water. Rayleigh waves looks like a wave produced on the surface of the water. R waves, or Rayleigh waves, is the most destructive among the seismic waves. Again, seismic waves can be classified into two: the body waves and the surface waves. Body waves can be classified into P waves or primary waves and S waves, secondary waves. The surface waves can also be classified as L waves or lab waves and R waves or Rayleigh waves. Seismometer is the machine or equipment that detects and records the seismic waves. And seismogram is the record written by the seismometer in response to the ground motion produced by an earthquake. Again, the machine is what we call the seismometer, and the graph or record is what we call the seismogram. That's all for today. Thank you, and kindly like the video and comment if there are any questions. Again, thank you and have a nice day.